Let me continue. A second stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wandered where, though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Had warned them really about the same. The meaning of fair means as good as other one. Meaning in fair means as good as other one. So then claim means better option. Better claim means better choice, better option. Grassy means unused, means not used because it was still not used. Wanted where means had not been used. Had not been used. The poet in this stanza, the poet is conveying a message that the poet kept on looking at one path for a long time to check if it is the right path for him or not. Confusions are there already. We will have confusions of lot of choices, but the same thing poet also suffering here. The poet kept on looking at one path for a long time to check if it is right path for him or not, and then he decided and started walking on another path because he felt that the both paths were equally good. Okay. He says just as fair, so just as fair. Fair means what? As good as the other one. So he felt that both paths were equally good and started walking one of them. He adds that maybe he felt that the path was better for him. He thought that the path was better for him. So he chooses it as it had hard grass on it, which means that it was unused. Not many people had walked on this path earlier, that is why this path was grass. If suppose a lot of people are going on that way, there was no grasses and bushes. You know that a walking way we can identify, we can recognize that whether the man is going or not on that path, because suppose people are going on the way, there were no grasses and bushes like that. Okay. And one walked on this path earlier, that is why this path was grassy. And wandered where means that it was not walked over by many people. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out of the same way. Both the paths were similar and worn out. Even in our life, we take any path or option, but all of them have the same benefits, disadvantages, problems, challenges, and we must face on them also. We think that we are choosing a better option every time. On that moment, all the people are taking the right decision, means because it is depend on the time. Okay. We all are thinking that whatever decisions we are taking, it's a right decision. But after some time, after going on the way, after running on the way, sometimes we will understood that we are realizing that it has certain struggles, difficulties, challenges also. Then we think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way. Okay. Next we are moving to stanza 3. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept fast for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Means trodden means walked over means it is a digged, means deep in the earth, means if suppose we are walking on again and again on the road, people walking on again and again the road, it will be trodden, means walked over. The poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them, as they were still green in color. He decided that the day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. Although he knew that one way leads to another way. He understood that one way leads to another way. He knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. One way he completed and even means he want to choose the other way, he will come back to that same position, on the same position which where there is the other started the journey. So it is not possible. So could not go back on that choice that he had made. Similarly, even in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option, and we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. Okay, means it was too late. Okay, then